old partner requests Crayon India to join us on stage. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, can you put your hands together? Crayon India. I'd now like to invite Secretary Rohan Bharti on stage to present our next memento. And now introducing our pouring partners, Paul John Whiskey and Big Benyon Wines, to join us on stage. Well, we have our sponsors requesting the AD, please.
At Buoyancy Consultants, we bring maritime ideas to life with precision and purpose. From concept design to 3D modeling, we offer complete ship design services, concept design, initial design, basic design, detailed design, statutory plans, retrofit engineering, and laser scanning. We deliver complete ship design solutions, recognized through numerous industry awards, trusted globally with a strong international presence. Buoyancy Consultants is proudly certified as a great place to work, a testament to our culture of excellence and innovation. Buoyancy Consultants, shaping the future of ship design.
Why out-of-court settlements are beneficial? Safe saves time and money, avoids lengthy legal proceedings, ensures peaceful resolution, protects your rights legally. One-stop solution for all property dealers. Contact us today.
Kovo Workspaces, smart, secure and flexible office solutions for Goa's tech leaders. A modern workspace offering private cabins, dedicated desks, fully equipped meeting rooms and event spaces, along with flexible membership plans that fit your lifestyle. A space where your success story begins. Kovo Workspaces, Goa's most productive workspace, now in Panji.
Well, thank you so much. That was our sponsors. Ladies and gentlemen, building a thriving tech ecosystem takes incredible partnership at every level. Now let's take a moment to recognize the invaluable support of our silver sponsors whose commitment helps power events like this and the growth of a community right here in Goa. To formally express our gratitude, I'd now like to invite our events chairperson, Mr. Gajanan Kerkar, to the stage to present mementos to our silver partner representatives. Our first silver sponsor, Tenjinsia India Technologies Private Limited. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Well, thank you so much. Our next silver partner, Buoyancy Consultants and Engineering LLP. Can I hear the applause a bit louder, please? Thank you. Mr. Gajanan, I'd now like to invite our incoming Vice President, Mr. Milind Prabhu, to the stage to present mementos to our silver partner representatives. Our next silver partner, Prima Reality. Our next silver partner, Prima Reality, Mr. Raghu Shetty. Our next silver partner, B Recycling. Yeah, please put your hands together. Workspaces. Well, ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands together? Thank you, Milind. Let's give a huge round of applause to our incredible silver partners. Back to celebrating excellence. Round 2 of our member awards. May I now request Mr. Nitin Kukolikar, Chairman, Advisory Council, MAIT, and former President of GCCI and GMA and social entrepreneur, to kindly come on stage to felicitate our winners. And before we announce the next winners, everyone Please get those phones ready. Everyone has a phone, right? Okay, please get your phones ready. When the winners' names are called, I want each and everyone to tag them on Instagram right away. Our official hashtag is hashtag GTA Awards 2025. And let's flood the feed with Goa's pride. Who's ready to cheer? So let's make some noise for the winners of the Decade of Impact Award for honoring those who have dedicated over a decade to building Goa's digital backbone. Consistency, innovation and commitment have laid to the foundation for the vibrant ecosystem celebrated today. And our awardees of Decade of Impact are Rohan Bharti from Service Global. Congratulations, Mr. Rohan. Our next awardee for Decade of Impact is Mr. Kapil Nair from Connect Sound Technology Solution. Please put your hands together, make some noise, and keep tagging them on Instagram. Our next awardee for Decade of Impact is Mr. Ajoy Raj from PlanCube Technologies Private Limited. Our next awardee for Decade of Impact is Mr. Mohsin Sheikh from Hashtag Innovation. Impact is Mr. Varun Savardekar from Hectranet. Please put your hands together. Is In Between Software Development Private Limited. And requesting Amit Kumar to kindly come forward. And if Nivedita and Rebecca is around, you can kindly join in. Of Impact is Center for Incubation and Business Acceleration. Requesting Amay Karmali to kindly come forward to receive the award. Mr. Nitin Kukolekar. Thank you so much. And requesting each and everyone, all you ladies and gentlemen present over here, remember to tag them on Instagram using hashtag GTA Awards 2025. More brilliance recognized. Now, for a perspective on the bigger picture, please join me in welcoming back Mr. Rajesh Revankar, Vice Chairman of ESC, Electronics and Computer Software Export Promotion Council. Mr. Rajesh brings invaluable insights into the national and global tech landscape. Mr. Rajesh, over to you. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Good evening, Goa. Let me start with a thanking note for having me here on this wonderful evening as a award celebration ceremony and also the GTS Annual Technical Technology Summit. Let me begin by thanking the Goa Tech Association for organizing this prestigious event and for inviting me to share a few thoughts on behalf of Electronics and Computer Software Export Promotion Council, ESC. I bring with me the warm greeting from our chairman and members across India who have been working tirelessly to boost India's standing in the global digital economy. It is a distinct honor to be with you at this prestigious gathering where we recognize not just achievements but aspirations from the technology leaders. Events like this are not just like a milestones, they are launchpad for new ideas, partnerships, and progress. Could have been no better place than Goa, a land known for vibrancy, resilience, and growing digital potential to host this transformative conversation today. And if any of you are wondering why Tech Summit in Goa feels so different, it is because this is the only place where you can write code by the day and catch sunset in the evening in the beach. So Goa has the way of blending innovation and with an inspiration. So the Goa's digital opportunity is going to be, the way I could see today's evening is a more warm and the more aspirations blended here. We are entering a critical decade where digital is not just an enabler but a driver of transformation across sectors, from governance and education to health, finance, agriculture, tourism, and beyond. India today is globally recognized as a leader in IT services, from SaaS to digital public infrastructure, innovation, and whatnot. But we must now ensure that this digital transformation revolution reaches and uplifts every region, and Goa, with its intellectual capital, excellent quality of life, and forward-thinking governance, stands ready to be a model smart state. Like it is a common proverb, right? The idol is small, but the fame is great. Who doesn't know that Goa, right? So that's the forward way for Goa now, what I could see. Goa has the potential to become the digital bridge, a state that not only welcomes and enterprises tech enterprises, but nurtures them with a creativity, culture, and leisure. We can envision a Goa where product startups, digital service exporters, design thinkers, and remote tech talents all find that thriving ecosystem here. And someone once said, innovation is not intelligent having fun, and what better place for intelligent fun than Goa? So, looking from the accelerating the software and the IT exports, and that from Goa, I think India's digital and electronic sector has already crossed a major milestone with a combined software services and electronics hardware exports reaching impressive $260 billion in 2025. However, a large part of this comes from metros and large cities. Our vision at ESC is to bring tier 2 and three ecosystems into digital global map. While software continues to be our flagship contributor, electronics hardware is gaining a global traction, signaling our transition towards a more balanced and innovation-driven export economy. But numbers alone cannot define our future. To sustain and elevate brand India, we must move beyond conventional roles. Our vision must be bold and transformative. From digital Bharat to Vikasit Bharat. From import dependence to export leadership. And from being a service-led economy to becoming a global hub for product design, R&D, and next generation manufacturing in India. India must rise a strategic contributor to a global value chain, not just participating, but shaping it. We must create distinct niche that reflect our strengths in deep technology, embedded systems, semiconductor design, AI, sustainable electronics, and so many things. Now we are already talking about quantum computing. So this is our moment to lead not by following the word, but by enabling it. Goa is uniquely placed to contribute significantly in this space. With support from STPIs and IT parks, focused government initiatives, Goa can host a startup, SaaS startups building for the world. Digital commerce platforms, remote first IT service provider, animation, gaming, design studios. That's what I could see. Some of the companies are already doing that. With the Goa is hosting the International Film Festival of India, there could be a lot of potential to the boost that economy, the connected this economy in that. The ecosystem has to be in the pre-production, post-production, animation, skilling like that. So we must facilitate through ESC and allied institutions the export readiness of Goa tech companies by helping them identify global markets, access trade delegations and B2B platforms, understand the export compliance and certifications, secure funding and IP protections. So they say that don't wait for the opportunity, create it. And Goa, I believe the climate for creating opportunity is just not warm, it's tropical here. Let's work together to position Goa as a net exporter of innovation. I think the world is talking about a lot of IT, deep technology. The skilling and talent development is the next crucial phase for entire country, and Goa can lead that as well. No digital ambitions can succeed without talent. The youth of Goa are eager, more creative, and capable. What they need is access to mentorship and opportunities. Imagine a Goa where every college offers cutting-edge AI and cloud technology training, internship with product companies, hackathons and startup boot camps. With public-private collaboration, we can build a future-ready digital workplace and workforce. ES and STPI and local partners can support digital finishing schools, women in technology initiatives, reskilling programs for industry professions. Imagine a startup build a drone to deliver a coconut water on the beach. That's what I could see. Some, the drones are supplying, the groceries. So does that sound unusual? I think why it is not possible. That tomorrow they could also come. So that's the beauty of Goa. So ideas here come with the sunshine, creativity, and just enough madness to change the game. So this talent pipeline will power not only Goa's economy, but contribute meaningfully to India's global digital dominance. We are all talking about deep technology today. Deep technology from AI to robotics to many things, right? So digital leadership must be inclusive and responsible. As we build the next wave of platforms and AI products, let us prioritize ethical and explainable AI, sustainable software development, technology for good, education, health and environment. Goa, with its natural beauty and cultural richness, can be pioneer in eco-conscious innovation that could lead to green technology parks, energy-efficient data centers, marine tech and innovation for sustainability. This is just not a good policy, it's a good business the world is watching. And let me tell you, if you build a software so intuitive, even your vacation won't notice you are working. So the moment now is to act now. Let Goa be the flag bearer of India's decentralized tech growth. Let this community of thinkers, doers, builders come together to define what Goa's tech future will look like. Coming from ESC, ESC is here to be a partner with Goa, the GTA, to global platforms and enabling policy alignment and making the Goa startup digital economy narrative heard loud and clear. At ESC, we are committed to support regional growth stories through global platforms like India Soft, India Electronics Expo, international B2B events. We would be delighted to see the greater participation from Goa technology companies in upcoming global initiatives and explore partnerships that can help you expand your reach across continents. You would be knowing, I think some of you are members of ESC. ESC hosts India Soft every year, and last 3 years it is hosting in Delhi. And that is a convergence event between the software and electronics. So last year we have hosted about 50,000. The concluding year 2025, we had a total footfall of 50,000 people visiting the India Soft, and 150 countries delegates came to India Soft. So India Soft is such a big event, and it is supported by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry to bring the global buyers. And that's an event I would encourage the Goa technology companies to participate, so that you have a global market outreach, access to the global buyers coming into the event. Perhaps I would also take this opportunity to from the GTA, that the IT minister today maybe is not yet come, but I would take this opportunity to invite the GTA and IT minister to host the exclusive pavilion. Yes, exclusive pavilion for the GTA companies, and that would be more beneficial to the Goa technology companies. Last year we had so many pavilions. The pavilions from Odisha, Puducherry, and of course the other states also came in, and we had a very grand success. And again, this is going to be the 2026 is going to be a big event, and certainly I think the Goa technology companies should participate. So remember, success in technology isn't about being the right city, but about building the right mindset. And Goa already has the mindset, being a calm, creative, and courageously ambitious place. In my closing note, I would like to reiterate our full support to the Goa Technology Association and its mission. Together, let's build as a future where Goa is not only known for its sun and sand, but also for its core. Capital, servers, softwares, silicon chips, and compassion that drive to digital growth. And as we celebrate tonight's awardees, those who have already made a mark, let us also ignite the ambitions of those who will next year. Let this night be remembered not just for the honors bestowed, but for the ideas sparked and partnership forged. Let's dream big, laugh often, and build boldly. Thank you once again for inviting me to this prestigious event. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rajesh. Requesting you to kindly stay on the stage, and I would like to now call Mr. Mangirish Salelkar, the incoming president, and Mr. Sujit Shetty, our presidents, to come on stage to felicitate our keynote speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly put your hands together. The presence among us, we have Vishwanath Bobe, Chairman of ICAI Goa Branch. Please put your hands together. We also have Jack Sukija, President of TTAG. We have amongst us Mr. Rajkumar Kamath, Executive Director of BNI Goa Region. We have Mr. Arman Bankley, President of Vibrant Goa. We have D.S. Prashant, CEO and SPC Goa. We have amongst us Nayan Mashon, Project Head DHE, and Bhushan Savaikar, Director of Higher Education. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kindly put your hands together for our guests. Ladies and gentlemen, resilience and sustained contribution are the foundation of any thriving industry. We now move to a very special recognition, honoring those whose vision and commitment helped shape Goa's evolving tech ecosystem. Over 15 to 20 years, they have laid the groundwork for what today thrives as a digital community. This is our Architects of Growth Award. I would now request Mr. Ajay Prasad Srivastava, Director Software Technology Parks of India, Pune, to kindly join us on stage in congratulating the distinguished recipients of this award. For the Architects of Growth goes to Mangirish Salelkar of Umang Software Technologies Private Limited since 2009. Well, the claps have to be a bit louder. Award goes to Mr. Royan Carvalho of Carvalho Business Solutions Private Limited since 2009. Our next awardee for the Architects of Growth goes to Mr. Gajanan Kerber of Best Tourism Tales India Private Limited since 2009. Congratulations to all the awardees. And once again, please put your hands together for all the awardees. And a tremendous thank you to Mr. Ajay Prasad Srivastava for gracing this felicitation. Thank you so much, sir. Events like this thrive on collaboration. We owe immense gratitude to our incredible support partners. Request our treasurer, Mr. Chinmay Kamath, to please come onto the stage to celebrate this partnership. Our support partner, Software Technology Parks of India, Pune. Anyone from Software Technology Parks of India, Pune? Requesting Mr. Ajay Prasad Srivastava to kindly receive the award. Our next event partner, Best Tourism Deals India Private Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. Gajanan Kerkar. Our next hospitality partner, the Fun Kadamba Hotel and Spa. Anyone from Fun Kadamba Hotel and Spa? You can receive your memento. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can you put your hands together? A massive thank you to all of you for being integral to our success. Thank you. Thank you again, all partners. Events like this thrive on collaboration, and we also owe immense gratitude to our incredible media partners. Request Vaishali Amonkar, chairperson of Women's Wing, to come up on stage to celebrate the partnership by felicitating our media. Would our representative please join us on stage? Our media partner, Prime Business Network Bharat, Goa's first business channel. Please put your hands together. News in Goa about politics, sports, technology, and more. Please put your hands together for Goa News Hub. Our next media partner, Business Goa, the voice of businesses in Goa. Please put your hands together. Requesting any representative of Business Goa to kindly receive the memento. A massive thank you to all of you for being integral to our success. Thank you to all the partners. And now we have the video of our sponsors. Can I have the AV, please?
Crayon is an IT company that helps and advises our customers on how to reduce costs, manage software, and cloud services.
We are passionate about empowering businesses to thrive in the digital age and create a positive impact.
What does this mean? What is our DNA?
So here's how we help customers. When we adopt the cloud, for example, we ensure that they have the right processes in place, the right security, the right legal requirements, simply ensuring that they are successful and they don't have to do it themselves, right?
We know the vendors very well, so we map the vendors and the functionality of the product up to the customer's needs.
We are best at helping our customers save money on cloud.
By providing detailed insight and visibility into their IT estate, we drive on average 30% cost optimization. The Crayon DNA is all about sitting on the customer side, always helping the customer make the right decisions.
In Crayon, we have an agnostic approach. which means that we are our customer's IT partner, no matter what technology or platform that they use today.
We offer expert advice, service desks, monitoring, and cloud operations to make sure that their IT systems are running at all times.
I always say that if I can't solve it, we have someone who can. So what we like to say is, you do what you do best and we'll handle the rest.
We build intelligent, cutting-edge solutions powered by AI, leveraging the latest research within machine learning. Customers come to us with the hardest problems. That's where we excel, and that's what we love. We love working with the hardest problems.
Literally any problem can be solved with some kind of data-driven method.
We go for high value, low risk, because these machine learning projects, they're different than ordinary software development.
We have done hundreds of projects in this area.
Our vision is clear. We believe in the transformative power of technology to drive the greater good. Ever since we founded Crayon, we've helped customers navigate IT complexity, and together, we find the solutions that best fit your needs. Ultimately, it's about Crayon being on the customer's side, always.
Of Sri Rohan County Honorable Minister for Tourism, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication and Printing and Stationery, Government of Goa. Requesting ladies and gentlemen, kindly put your hands together. Requesting Vaishali Amonkar to kindly present a memento to our media partner, Incredible Goa, Goa's premier society magazine. Can I have a round of applause to our media partners? Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at another special moment. The next awards honor organizations that have stood as pillars of our tech ecosystem through decades of change. With over 2 decades of innovation behind them, these leaders not only survived but shaped Goa's digital destiny. The legacy of innovation aboard acknowledges sustained excellence and long-term contribution over 20 to 25 years. I now request Sri Rohan County Honorable Minister for Tourism, Information Technology to kindly join us in honoring the legendary companies that define longevity in Goa's tech landscape. Legacy of Innovation Awards are Sandeep Verenkar of Anand Infomedia Private Limited since 2002. Please put your hands together louder for all our award winners. Our next awardee is Mr. Nilesh Naik of Sapna Technologies since 2002. Our next award for Legacy of Innovation goes to Muzaffar Qadri of Jameson's Technologies Private Limited since 2002. Our next awardee for Legacy of Innovation goes to Mr. Sujit Shetty of Team Inertia Technologies since 2003. Our next awardee for Legacy of Innovation goes to Mr. Vijay Thomas of Dengisha India Technologies Private Limited since 2003. Our next awardee for Legacy of Innovation goes to Ruchin Dayal of E-Dot Solution since 2004. Requesting Lorinda Carvalho to kindly receive the award. Our next award for Legacy of Innovation goes to Remote Software Solution Private Limited since 2004. Request Nelsita Oheretia to kindly receive the award. Of Innovation goes to Open Destination Infotech Private Limited since 2005, and I request Meline to kindly receive the award. Let's applause for these visionaries that not just survived, they have thrived for over a quarter of a century. Let's celebrate their enduring impact and let their stories inspire us to build that last. Ladies and gentlemen, we now reach a truly historic moment celebrating organizations that have shaped Goa's tech landscape for over a quarter century. These are the pioneers who laid our foundation. If you have ever used a local tech service, learned from a veteran engineer, or benefited from Goa's digital growth, you owe them a round of applause. Let's hear it to our Legends of Goa Tech Award winners. And now, please welcome to the stage our esteemed presenter for this Legends of Goa. The winners for this Legacy Award, Legends of Goa Tech, 25 plus years and more are Persistent System Limited since 1990. And I request Mr. Ranjit Naik and Pallavi Desai to collect the award. Our next awardee for Legends of Goa Tech 25 plus years goes to Ricky Norona, Online Productivity Solution Private Limited since 1995. Come on, we got to get some pictures. Tag them on Instagram as #TTA 2025. Our next awardee for the Legends of Goa Tech 25 plus years goes to Arvind Kejriwal of Progen ERP System Private Limited since 1996. Ovation for this Legends of Technology. Thank you, sir, for doing. Be honest, can you take your seat? We would love to hear your perspective.
infrastructure to the citizens through high-speed internet broadband and public Wi-Fi. We also have the Harghar Fiber project, and we are ensuring remote connectivity in the remotest places in Goa. As you must be aware, the Technology Association in strengthening our technology ecosystem. GTA has constantly served as a bridge between government and industry, bringing together IT companies startups and professionals under a unified platform. Its efforts in policy advocacy
now rapidly transforming into a digitally empowered and innovation-driven state.